Hi, my name is Kylie Capes, and here is my final mobile apps project called Bloom. Bloom is a self care tracker that helps users build healthy habits, log daily data, view progress analytics, and receive AI generated wellness tips. Bloom uses Firebase authentication for secure login and sign up. Here, the user creates a new account. When the user signs up, Firebase creates a new user in the backend, and the app automatically loads the user's personalized data. After signing up or logging in, users also remain logged in between sessions and they can sign out from the Profile tab here. When the user first logs in, they are taken to the tracker screen, which is the main list view where each habit is stored in Firestore under the user's habits collection. Users can check off habits, view details, and also manage the list. Users can also add new habits, which update immediately in Firestore. These habits support swipe to delete with real-time Firestore updates. Here, the user is editing and deleting the new habits they created. This is the detail view. This is for individual habits. Here, users can enter quantitative data, for example, how many glasses of water they drank. And they also can add notes. When the user saves, this creates a new daily entry in Firestore with the habit name, value, notes, and timestamp. The most recent entry is automatically loaded and displayed when returning to the screen. This is the summary page. Here, users can select a habit from the picker, and Bloom loads the last 7 days of entries from Firestore. These values are displayed in a weekly trend chart built using the Apple Charts framework. The page also shows completion percentage and streak, giving users insight into their consistency. The history view expands this data into a 7-day overview and displays completion rates by habit. Bloom also uses external API to generate personalized wellness suggestions. On this screen, users type in their goals and the app sends them to an AI endpoint. Here, the user is submitting 2 goals. After these 2 goals are submitted and entered, the user goes to the AI Tips tab. The AI Tips tab displays new suggestions generated from the external API. Each tip includes a title, the related goal, and an AI generated explanation. These suggestions are created dynamically based on the user's input. If an API key is available, the app uses OpenAI's Chat Completions API. If not, the system falls back to a structured sample responses. If you look here, going to the Firebase console, you can see all the user data, the habits, daily entries, and AI tips. This is stored in the Firebase Firestore. Each user has their own secure document collections and data updates in real time across the app. Here in the code, in the Bloom app Swift, this is the app entry point where I configure Firebase and load the splash screen. Here in the Habit True Tracker View model, this is the model that handles the CRUD operations for habits and syncs them with the Firestore, like deleting and editing. In the AI tips service, this is where the external API call happens. User goals are sent to an endpoint using URL session, and responses are saved as AI tips. Throughout this project, I learned how to integrate Firebase authentication and Firestore, how to structure data models and view models in SwiftUI, and how to call external APIs and parse responses. I strengthened my skills in reactive updates, custom UI design with SwiftUI, and using Apple Charts framework for real-time data visualization.